Way to get a rough estimate of how much snow has already come down today would be to get our handy dandy ruler out of the truck. So this table has been untouched all day, and we'll just see how much it is. Looks like about 2 inches or so. Again, this table was untouched, so we'll see if it amounts to more later on. But here's a look at what other people were doing around town today. Out from the igloo, 3 8-year-old neighbors digging snow left over from the last storm as Mother Nature coats their hideout with another layer.
We're going to keep on building. It's going to be like around here, kind of.
A few blocks away, we had to race to catch up with Dr. Kathleen Reddy.
How far are you walking?
4 miles.
Do you do that every day?
I do.
And this won't stop you?
Hardly.
This Madison resident attempted to do business at Town Hall, but it is closed for the day. Sleet and snow did not stop this mail carrier. Earlier, we ran into people at the food store gearing up to stay home. What'd you get at the food store?
Chips and a Hot Pocket.
The necessities, I
Yeah,
guess?
for college students.
This mom is enjoying a day off with her kids, but concerned about tomorrow.
No word yet. Our schools, they canceled them this morning. So at like 5 a.m. we got the call, no school. But I think we probably could have had a half a day today. Definitely. But no word yet.
That mom there is concerned about snow school tomorrow, possibly, because she does not want to lose a day when it comes to spring break. And here's a note from my mom, who just text messaged me and told me, be careful later when you're out on these roads, because we are seeing that it's slushy now. And as the temperatures drop, you know what's going to happen. It's going to turn to ice. So be careful out there. We are live in Madison, New Jersey. Meg Baker, CBS 2 News.